everyone, this is the last video in our 4-part series on the new leasing standard. If you have missed any of the prior videos, you can find them on our website under the thought leadership. Today, we are talking about the tactics of dealing with the leasing calculations.
Yes, Emily, those are some pretty daunting calculations. Putting the asset and liability on the books can be easy, but properly amortizing both and also having new leases rolling onto the books periodically is where we really start to get into the challenges.
Some of our clients intend to perform the calculations themselves, but there's more than just the calculations needed, since we will need disclosures in those financial statements as well. It is pretty onerous.
It certainly is. We've seen some clients that have put together pivot tables in Excel, but it gets really complicated when there are lease modifications, and obtaining the disclosure data is a lot more messy. So analyzing hundreds of leases in Excel made us a little queasy. So we looked into leasing software, and we think it's well worth the price.
Oh, for sure. Depending on the sophistication of the software, it allows for lease modifications, numerous changes in the lease payments throughout the whole lease term, incentives, renewals, and other challenges in implementing the standard. It will even provide the properly formatted footnote.
Yeah, that was one of our favorite selling points. So it provides for all the essentials in implementing the standard, but it also allows for a lot of slicing and dicing depending on the sophistication of the company. Expenses can be split among various categories, such as your cost of sales and your G&A lease payments. If you have different divisions, you can separate the lease payments into your divisions to allocate those. If you have different locations, if you have functionalized expenses, different cost centers. So it just gives you a lot of flexibility.
And if you are looking for even more, not only does it do all of that, it also provides the monthly journal entry for you to record all of the information. It has the ability to add the general ledger accounts, and it will provide all of the journal entries in Excel. You can even import them into your accounting system.
The software we chose allows our clients to also have access, so they can go at any point and enter new leases, get the data analyzed in the format they want, or access their monthly journal entries. If you're not a KatzAbosch client, talk to your advisor to see about their software capabilities. We anticipate that the software is going to facilitate a less complicated transition. So that concludes our video series on leasing. Please look for the invitation to our leasing webinar on September 22nd, where we will provide more insight to help you feel confident undertaking this new standard in your organization.